Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher, Sonika Lohan. So let's start with a new chapter, working with queries. This chapter is also a part of Log On to Access. So let's start.
Working with queries, forms, and reports. Queries. What are the queries? A query is a simple question that you ask to find a specific information from the database. Means query is basically a question. Uh, Query option is just quite similar to your option filter option that we used in MS Excel, right? Forms. Forms allows you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table. Means if you want to add a particular record, so you have to use forms. Okay. Reports. What do you mean by reports? A report is an effective way to organize and summarize the data for viewing or printing. Or you can say reports are just the printout formation of your database. So we have to learn that how we have to use queries and forms in MSSS. So let's start. Hello everyone. Today we will start at topics query and forms. So first of all, what do you mean by queries? Query is an option which is just similar to a filter option. Filter option that we already covered in our MS Excel in the previous class. Okay. So here you have to use query to find particular field, like you want to search a particular state person, so you just have to use a query option. Okay, so what you have to do, first you have to create a database. Here I already made the database for you. Okay, after that you just have to click on the create tab. This is your create tab. When you click on create tab, this screen will appear. Okay, in this screen you can see here we are having a show table dialog box in which our table name, whatever the table we already made now, that table name will appear here. You just have to click on it, right? When we click on it, this table will appear, right? From here you just have to select that field which on which you want to set your query, and you just drag and drop that values. Suppose I want to set my query on my first name and state option. Okay, so just select that first name and drag it and drop here, and again state and whatever the field you want to take, again drag that and drop here, right? When you do this when you use this option, your screen will appear like this. Okay, now what you have to do, here you can check we are having an option sort, right? Sort means the arrangement in which you want to set your query, like ascending order, descending order, alphabetic order, which order you want. Suppose I want to set that all the names are set from A to Z option, alphabetically order. It means it's a ascending order. Or if you want in descending order, it means Z to A option, right? So I set my query as ascending order, right? And in state, I use my state as Manipur. It means I want that I only want to check the particular student name who belongs from Manipur and whose name started from A alphabet. Okay, A, B, C, whatever the alphabets, we already give the arrangement, that is ascending order. Okay, I want to set all the so that I can easily find the name of a particular person. So what you have to do next, you just have to click on run command. Run command. This is your run command. When you click on run command, your screen will appear like this. It means it will show you all the students' name who belongs from Manipur in a particular ascending order, like A to Z order, right? So this query option is just similar to your filter option, but only difference is that we cannot use any filter option in SS, so that we have to use query here to find a particular result, right? Now come to the next topic, that is form. Form. What is the meaning of form? Students, here you can check that we are having a 5 students database, right? The different values of the particular student we are having here, like admission number, first name, last name, class, phone number, email, state and attachment, right? But I want to check the data individually. So what I have to do? You just have to click on again the create tab. Okay, in create tab you can check here we are having option form, right? Click on this option. When you click on form option, your data will appear like this. Individual person's form will appear here with all the database. Okay, if you want to check the next database, click on this arrow option, right? So this is all about your query and form. Now you have to complete all the chapter very carefully so that you can easily understand what is the basically query, forms, how to create the database, what are the basic use to use MS SQL, right? Thank you.